Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a new functionality in Mesh Morpher which allows us to sync our meshes with Blender or any other DCC. This functionality is called Mesh Stream and you can see the icon here. To use it, it's pretty simple. We just open a skeletal mesh, any skeletal mesh, it's up to you. And let's create a new morph target. We open our morph target and go to the mesh stream tool and open it. Here we're gonna see two options, to start the stream, to stop the stream, and the subject name. We're gonna leave this default. You can change it if you're working with multiple instances of Mesh Morpher. And now let's go to Blender. First of all, to have the mesh stream working, we need to install the add-on for Blender, right? And to do that, we go to Edit Preferences, Add-ons, Install, and go to the plugin folders in Mesh Morpher, yeah, and go to Mesh Stream folder and just select the blender.py. So now that we installed the add-on, let's enable it, and we will see our tab here that allows us to switch to our options. Here we have port, and we will select Mesh Morpher Classic, not the graph, just the Classic. And if you're working with big meshes, I suggest you set this to a higher value, right? If you're working with small meshes, you can have that small value, but with the very big meshes with a lot of vertices, just set the interval update to 1 second or whatever. Just test it out to see how works for you. And now let's go back to Blender and let's start the stream, right? We're gonna start streaming, and now let's go to Unreal and click on Start Stream. We will see our mesh here now, our mesh coming from Mesh Morpher, and now we can sculpt it, right? If you want, you can select the materials, so the mesh gets exported with the materials, but we won't play with that too much. And another thing, you need to preserve the vertex count. Don't change the vertex count, right? If you change the vertex count, then your mesh won't be updated in Mesh Morpher. You need to keep the same count. Let's do some tests here. Let's use this grab, and let's do some deformation here. It's up to you what you're sculpting. And now let's go back to Mesh Morpher. Now in Mesh Morpher, we will see that our mesh is updated, and you can stop the stream when you're happy with your result. And if you need to undo, just usual Control Z, Control Y, and let's save it. And this is it. I hope you like this new functionality. Mesh streaming is super powerful in Mesh Morpher, and yeah, see you around, guys. Bye.